It's the Tamil Nadu governor versus the state row. And now, because of that case, it was the Supreme Court that's taken that landmark judgment in which now the Supreme Court has gone on to say that it's not just the governor, but it's also the president that must decide on bills in a matter of 3 months. The states are entitled to challenge in case there is a delay. That is what the Supreme Court has gone on to say. While this a landmark judgment that is being hailed by the Chief Minister of the state, this is a landmark judgment outlining the powers and timeline for governors to decide on bills passed by the state legislators. Now, the Supreme Court has also gone on to rule the role of the president and the time that the president has, and also that the president does not enjoy absolute veto when it comes to bills passed by the state. My colleague Sam Daniel joining us. Well, Sam, take us through the reactions coming about of this decision that's been taken in regard to the governors, but also coming down, as far as the role of the president is concerned, that even the president cannot, make people wait, and the bills need to be passed within 3 months, come what may.
That's right, Divya. This is a landmark historic judgment that has set the norms for timeline in terms of the governors passing bills or keeping them on hold, and not just the governor, but this will also apply for the president. The petition was originally filed by the Tamil Nadu government after Governor R.N. Ravi had put on hold 10 bills for a long time, and then even after those bills were passed for the second time, the governor, instead of immediately giving assent for them as the constitution mandates, he chose to refer them to the president. It's in that context the Supreme Court has given a clear timeline that within a maximum time of 3 months, 1 month in the case of sending it back, another month in the case of the bills being referred without the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, and if it is sent back to the president, it should be within maximum of 3 months, so that the bills passed by legislative houses will not have to wait for indefinite time period in that sense. And this applies not just for the governor, for the president as well, because in cases that involve central laws or things which come under the concurrent list, the governor refers them to the president. And again, the president also has come under this kind of timeline now. One issue I can think of in the last decade is the issue concerning the death sentence of those in the Veerappan sandalwood smuggler case. And at that time, many had filed for mercy petitions to the president, and the inordinate delay by the president at that time was cited to be the reason for the court ordering the release. So now even the bills passed and referred to the president will come under this kind of a scrutiny and timeline.